Going through different online groups for parents and teachers, we start to see a lot of problems such as these pop up this time of year. Using only the 5 numbers below, how many different 2-digit numbers can you make? Now, the important part to notice is each number can only be used once. So once we use a digit, it's gone. So we won't be able to make numbers like 33 or 44, so on and so forth. Well, one way we can do this is by multiplying. We can see how many choices we're going to have for our first digit. Well, for our first digit, we have all 5 numbers to choose from. So we have 5 choices for our second digit. Now we need to look to see how many choices we could have for our second digit. Since each number can only be used once it's used, it's gone. So for example, if I chose 3 for my first digit, that would only leave me 4, 5, 7, and 8 to choose from for my second digit. We'd have the same number of choices no matter which one was chosen first. So we have 4 digits to choose from for my second digit. Now I can multiply those together. 5 choices for my first times 4 choices for my second gives me a total of 20 combinations that I can make with those 5 numbers. There is another way we could figure this out, and that other way is by actually making a list of all possible numbers. We went ahead and wrote it out for time's sake, but we can start by pairing each number with each of the other numbers in the list. So we would do that for everything that starts with a 3, everything that starts with a 4, everything that starts with a 5, everything that starts with a 7, and everything that starts with an 8. When we can do that, we can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 total combinations that we can still make. So whether we do it by multiplying it out or actually writing out our list, either way we come to the conclusion that there's 20 different 2-digit numbers that we can make from these 5 numbers.